I'm Micah Baylor, the lead benefit steward at Opolis, and I'm here today to review with you a few of the new things that are coming to our fine friends out in New York. Short of the matter, we've had these things available to everyone not in New York, and now are launching it to our New York population with plan designs built just for your state. What we're talking about today is known as a voluntary insurance or ancillary benefits. These are things that you can get in addition to the coverages you already have. They pay on top of everything you already have. They don't coordinate with any other benefits. You can have healthcare, disability insurance, all the other things, and still have these things give you cash benefits, which is exactly what all of these things do. They're all cash benefit related. This one, for example, the first one we have to talk to is your critical illness coverage. Critical illness, what does it do? It gives you 20 grand in a lump sum payment when the bad thing happens. So you'll see a list of covered things down here, and then the amount of the $20,000 that it pays. They pay the full benefit for, say, full-on heart attack, a lesser benefit for, coronary artery bypass. You'll see similar, like, invasive cancer, full 100% payout, 20K cash. If you have like a lump of cancerous cells that doesn't grow and, it's in situ, it's waiting, right? They pay a lesser amount, but more or less gives you a lump sum of cash based on how bad the thing is. It'd be nice to have $20,000 operating expense if one of these major events happened. Some things to keep in mind: this money comes directly to you. A cool thing is that if you had a reoccurrence, if you had an initial heart attack, your chances of having a second are higher, and this pays reoccurrence benefits. There is a built-in waiver of premium benefit. Waiver of premium means that you don't pay premiums while you're getting the benefits from the policy, in a nutshell. And of course, what's great about this is it's guaranteed issue and super simple to add some coverage for your spouse and kids too. Accident plan. This guy right here, you actually notice there's like a high-low option. High-low option, they cover the same things. You'll just notice that the high option cost about 50% more, and well, it pays about 50% more. This one in particular, it pays in the event of you seeking medical attention because of an accident. If someone said ow and they didn't, intentionally inflict harm upon their body, then you just go, seek medical care. That could be a doctor's office, an urgent care, an emergency room. And more or less, like the way that these work is they just look how bad the accident was. They roll it up and they send you an amount. You might see like, $100 claims for just going to see your doctor to be told, hey, here's a Flintstone vitamin, you're fine. And then, if you were to be like admitted to the hospital and spent days in the hospital, then of course, you could expect thousands of dollars. More or less with this one, you're just looking for cash dollars coming your way in the event of any type of covered accident. Covered accident not being just like car accidents, really being any accident that's not like happening to you while you're committing a crime or that you self-inflict upon yourself. The last one is the hospital coverage. This one pays, honestly, probably the least amount of money and benefit, but it covers the most things. Like critical illness, it covers the major things, top reasons people go to ICU. Accident plan, fantastic plan, but no coverage for sickness. The hospital plan is going to have you for accident. It's going to have you for sickness. And the way that this one works is it just pays you $2,000 if you're admitted to the hospital, and then it pays you $200 per day you're in the hospital. All of these coverages, you could have, one of them, two of them, all of them, none of them. It's all up to you. You just pick what you think might be good for your situation, where you might like a little bit of extra coverage, and look at the price and just click and roll after that. You can always reach out to me. You can get me at micah@opolis.co or shoot me a text or a call at 206-981-6461. And I'll be happy to get you taken care of. Hope to chat soon.